Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2015 Can-Am SPYDER F3 SE6 with 3,800 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a rider backrest and a windshield and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, reverse, and an onboard computer. Cutting-edge performance and eye-catching style allow the F3 to be as impressive in form as it is in function, offering the thrills and excitement of motorcycling on the stability of three wheels, supported by a lower center of gravity and dynamic handling. The Sportster produces 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque from a 1330cc Rotax motor. With a 6-speed semi-automatic transmission, the F36 is an engaging and thrilling ride that weighs in at 889 pounds and has a 26.6-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.